Are you depressed that you can't use start position switcher following the new Geometry Dash update that just wrecked Geode? Well, boy, do I have a tutorial for you. So, you want to download Geometry Dash 2.207 and get your Geode mods back. This is how you do it. First thing you want to do is you want to go into the description. There's going to be three things in the description. It's going to be steam://console, download depot, numbers, and then a path for you to go to when it's done. This first thing is what you're going to want to copy first. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go into any browser of my choice. I have Brave open right here, but you can use anything. You can use Firefox, you can use Chrome, you can use Edge if you want to. I don't know why you would want to, but you can. So I'm going to go into here. And you're going to want to go up to this bar up here, search Google or type a URL. You're going to click it. And now you want to paste the URL right here. steam://open/console. What this is going to do for you is it's going to open a console in Steam. I know that sounds like scary and all that, but it really isn't. It's just a place where you can execute commands, and in this case, you're going to execute a command to download an older version of Geometry Dash. Sounds scary, I swear it isn't. That's about it. You just want to click this now. Or you can click enter, but I'm going to click it. It's going to say, do you want to open Steam? You just want to click yes. And you're going to go into this console right here. Now that you're in this console, you're going to go back to the description. You're going to copy the second thing right here. It's going to be download_depot, a few numbers, and then a long number right here. What you're going to want to do is you're going to copy this whole thing, Control C. You're going to go down here into the Steam console. You should be on the console tab right here in Steam. You're going to click this bar at the bottom, click Control V. It's going to pop up with this command right here. Just click enter. You'll know you did it right if it says downloading depot right here. And then it's just going to be a game of waiting. That's about it. I'll speed it up for you guys. Alright, so it just finished downloading. You can see it right here. You'll know that's finished when it says depot download complete. It's just saying that it's complete, and it's also saying where to download Geometry Dash. This is where Geometry Dash 2.207 is, the one that works with Geode. Now this is where the third thing comes in. First, you're going to want to click Windows and R at the same time. It will open this little window right here. And if there's something inside, just click backspace and delete it. And then, now that you're inside of this run tab right here, you see it? You're going to go back to the description, copy this third thing right here. Control C, Control V, and then click enter. This will open a tab where the Geometry Dash installation is. This is Geometry Dash 2.207 right here, but it doesn't have Geode yet, so that's what we're going to do next. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm using this folder. It's just in my downloads, but you can do this from anywhere. I have the Geode installer in here. I'm not going to tell you how to download it because you probably know already if you're watching this video. I'll include links in the description for it though. And you're just going to want to run it. Go through this whole thing. It's whatever. I agree. Next. Now right here is where you're going to want to change something. Go back into the description. Copy this again. So just copy this. You might have it copied from before. But just do it again. Control C. You're going to go back in here. You're going to click on the tab right here. Control A. Control V. Now I'll paste the path in. So it's going to tell it to install Geode right here in this folder. Alright. Now once this path is inside of Geode, click install. Now it's going to start installing Geode right here, as you can see. It's going to ask you for administrator privilege so it can finish installing. This is just a part of the Geode installation. If you installed it before, you'll know how that works. My screen has gone black for a second as I approve it. Now, as you can see, Geode setup is completed. I have Geode right here. I have other stuff, resources, whatever, Geode installer. I'm gonna click next, finish. Now you're done with this. You don't even need this anymore. Right now, the only way you can run Geometry Dash is from here, but I'll show you how to make it easier for yourself. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to make it easier to access Geometry Dash. I'm also going to get into how to port over your mods, all the other shebang. It's all going to be good for you. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to go back into this tab from before. You shouldn't have closed it, where Geometry Dash 2.207 is installed. You're going to look for this little pointing up arrow. You should want to click it. This is where your Geometry Dash is, depot_322171. I'm going to drag this into whatever folder you want. I'm just going to put it next to my Geode installer right here. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but you can. You can also rename it now. So I'm going to rename it to Geode Geometry Dash 2.207. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open it. You can create a shortcut for it now. If you look right here, it's just a bunch of files. You don't know what to do with this. You're going to hover over Geometry Dash. Click it once. Right click it. And then click Create Shortcut right here. Now, underneath Geometry Dash, it will not show exe for you. It will just show Geometry Dash. You're going to take Geometry Dash.exe shortcut and just move this to wherever you want. Personally, I want to put it on my taskbar right here, so I'm just going to take it and move it into the taskbar right here. It's going to show up right here. That's it. That's all I got to do with it. So I'm going to run it. I'm going to wait for it to load. You can see I have Geode installed, but I don't have any mods. So I'm going to show you how to port over your mods now. The first thing you want to do is just forget about all of this stuff for a second. Don't close any of it, just forget about it. Put it in the background. You want to click on Steam tab again. You want to go to Library, click Library, click on Geometry Dash right here. Should pop up with this, just the standard Geometry Dash page. You want to go over to the right side where there's this little cog right here, this little gear. You want to click it. And you want to hover over where it says Manage. You want to click on Browse Local Files. It'll pop up with this tab right here. Looks very similar to what we just installed because it's just another installation of Geometry Dash. Now what you're going to want to do, you're going to go back into your folder right here. Go back to where you have your Geometry Dash 2.207 installed. Move that up so you can see this. You're going to take it. It should be in steamapps common Geometry Dash. If it's not there, then I don't know what to tell you, man. You're going to take the Geode from here. You want to click, right click, copy. You can go back up to here. You're going to right click and paste. So move all of your stuff from this Geode to this Geode right here. It's going to tell you, hey, this is a lot of files, same names. Just click skip these files. And then you should be done after this. So now I'm going to go back. And then I'm going to click on the shortcut right here that I made earlier. As you see, Geode is perfect right here. All installed, all beautiful. I have all my mods. I have megahack. I have start position switcher. And then that's it. You have everything. You have Geometry Dash 2.207 installed. You have a shortcut for it. Now whenever you want to play Geometry Dash, you want to click this shortcut right here. And then you're done. That's it. Geometry Dash 2.207 installed with Geode. Isn't it great?